The news update. Judge warns DSS against taking over court security before 12 p.m. on Wednesday. You're welcome to today's news. Please listen to the details. As the trial of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is slated on Wednesday, the Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court in Abuja has directed the Department of the State Services (DSS) not to take over the security arrangements of the court on February 16 until 12 p.m. when the trial of Nnamdi Kanu on terrorism charges will commence. The decision of the judge is to allow other judges to attend to other cases slated for their respective courts. Justice Nyako noted with regret that trials of other cases have been aborted and made to suffer unnecessary adjournments each time Kanu's trial take place due to heavy security presence and blockade of roads leading to the court. To ensure that other cases are accommodated before the commencement of Kanu's trial, Justice Binta Nyako shifted the terrorism trial till 1 p.m. on Wednesday, February 16. The judge told DSS Director of Legal Services to convey the court's decision to the highest authority of the service for implementation in the interest of justice to other litigants. A 15-count terrorism charge was on Wednesday, January 19, slammed on Nnamdi Kanu by the federal government. He pleaded not guilty to the charges and asked the court to discharge and acquit him without standing trial because the charges were incurably defective and not worth being defended. Kanu claimed that the charges, which he denied upon arraignment, were incompetent, invalid, and have no force of law. The alleged secessionist, through his counsel, Chief Mike Ozekwueme San, said that the offences brought against him were committed in the United Kingdom, outside the shores of Nigeria. Kanu's two motions on notice, one questioning the validity of the charges, and the other seeking bail, are billed for hearing on February 16. Concerning the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, whose trial has always been adjourned because of one issue or the other. His trial has been adjourned to February 16, but the judge of the Federal High Court in Abuja, Justice Binta Nyako, had made it known to the security operatives, the DSS, that they should not interfere with the security on that day until 12 p.m. They want other cases in the court to be attended to. And after then, once it is 12 o'clock, then the DSS can take charge of the security. Because every time Nnamdi Kanu is appearing in court, the other issues that are on ground will not be able to be solved that day. The trial of others will not be able to come up because of the massive blockade of the security people to the court. So what Binta Nyako did is right, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's trial is disturbing and also adjourning the trial of other people. Now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is charged as risen from 7 to 15 on terrorism, treasonable felony, and so on. But Nnamdi Kanu pleaded that he is not guilty because what they said is invalid. It is incompetent. He did not do all the charges that were placed on him. And also, his lawyer said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, what he did was outside the shores of Nigeria. So he is not supposed to face any trial in Nigeria because he did not offend the country Nigeria. Meanwhile, the Ohanaeze table's fresh demand from Buhari government on Nnamdi Kanu's release. Ohanaeze Ndigbo Worldwide has alleged that an ongoing secret negotiation between Igbo politicians, leaders, and the federal government to release Nnamdi Kanu should also include other Igbo youths detained in various prisons across the South and Southeast. So those people that went to see the federal government on the issue of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should also talk about the issues of the IPOB members, the Biafrans, who are in the custody of the DSS, who are in prison, and nobody knows where they are. They should put that discussion in their talk. And remember that the family of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has called on the federal government to tell them, give them detailed information about how Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was extradited, because the federal government had not said anything concerning this since when Nnamdi Kanu was extradited to Nigeria. They want to know the reason why. If it is not illegal, then why are they covering this issue? Why are they still putting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in detention? Illegality cannot solve illegality. They should prove themselves legal by coming out to showing that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is extradited in this country, because it has been going round and round that it was extradited from Kenya. But this family are not ready to believe. That is why they're asking the federal government to say this. Now, the Ohanaeze Ndigbo is telling the Igbo politicians to stop begging Buhari for Kanu's release. What the Igbo politicians are supposed to do is talk with the president, make him see reasons why the IPOB leader is to be released, because he is agitating for a state of Biafra. He did not do anything wrong. So concerning the trial of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that is coming up February 16, 2022, what's your take on it? Will the trial be adjourned again, or the trial will be resolved that day? Kindly share your view with us. Thank you.